Welcome to Codra Vlogs. In this video, I will create simple basic quiz application in Android Studio. First of all, I will click on the empty activity and then I will click next. At here, I will set basic quiz app. This is the name of the project and I will click finish. So this will create empty Android project for me, and first of all I want to create a splash screen for quiz application. For that I will create a new activity, new empty activity, right, with the name of quiz splash, and I will click the finish button to create the new activity of quiz splash. This is the splash screen, the starting screen of the quiz application, and then I will go to manifest folder and Android manifest. In the Android manifest I will copy this intent filter tag, right. I will cut this code and I will paste inside the activity of quiz splash. The purpose of this code is to open the quiz splash activity first. This code will decide that which activity should be open first. So I want to open this activity quiz splash screen, the welcome screen, the starting screen of the quiz application. So that's why I cut from the main activity to paste in the quiz splash, right. So at here, this is my first activity to execute. So for now I will go to the design of the splash, quiz splash, and I will do some more designing of it. So I will use Looty animation for display screen. Looty is a library which is used for animation and easy to integrate with Android Studio. So I will first write in the Google Looty Android integration, and then I will go to GitHub, this one, right. So I will go here, and this is the way to integrate the Looty library in your project. Just simple copy this code and paste in the Gradle, and in the dependency paste this code, and Looty version. So you have to write latest version here. So the latest version is 4.1.0. So this is the latest version of Looty library. So after this you have to click on the sync now button. It will download Looty library in your Android project, right. So Looty library is successfully integrated in the Android Studio. Now let's go to the front end of quiz splash, and at here we will go to split. In the split we can see the design and we can see the design of a code. So at here I want to add the Looty animation view. Looty animation view is a view which will display animation, right, and I will set the width of this view 300 dp and height also with 300 dp, and that's it. So it will give us some error because it is a constraint layout, and therefore we have to give it some alignment, some positioning. So first of all I will make this view horizontally and vertically center with the parent. So first of all I will make it vertically in parent, so it will make this view center with respect to the screen. Then I will make this view horizontally center. So now it is horizontally and vertically center. Now I want to make this view little upper. For that I will edit this section and the value of this is 50 vertical bias, so make it 20, so I make it 17, and that is very good. And then I will add here progress bar. For that I will go to widgets and I will go to circular progress bar, and I will also do the positioning of this widget, and I will make it horizontally center, right? Let's make it down a little bit. Okay, add here in the Looty animation view we will display some animation. For that we will go to Google and we will write here Looty files, and we will open this website. So Looty file, this website will be open. We will go to the discover section and go to free animation. So at here we can download any free animation for our project. So I want animation for our quiz. So I want to download this animation because I like this animation. It's a quiz and with it is very beautiful. Now I will download this Looty animation. I will go to this download button, and at here I will select Looty JSON because I want to download in a JSON format. So this is downloaded successfully, so I will go to, so now I will click on the show in folder. First of all I will rename it to quiz enum, right? And I will copy this JSON file, and then I will go to my project and I will go to this res folder, res, then I will click new, then I will click on the Android resource directory, and then I will go to resource type. At here I will go to the raw, I will select the raw option and I will click OK. So it will create a new folder of raw. At here I will paste this JSON, so I will make it quiz.json to make it easy to use, and I will click on refactory. So this will basically paste the JSON animation file in the raw folder. So now I can easily use this animation file in my project. So I will go to the activity quiz play screen, and this is my view. At here I want to show this animation, so what I will do is I will just simply write raw and then add the red raw and quiz. So now this view will display this animation of quiz, and now I want to play it automatically. For that I will write auto play is equal to true, so it will play this animation automatically, right? So that's it. At here I will go to play screen. First of all let's run this application. Now promotion time. This is my channel CoderVlog. If you did not subscribe this channel, you can subscribe this channel to support my channel and for more updates. If you are interested in my daily life, then you can subscribe this channel. In this channel you will find vlogging type of content, so subscribe this channel also to support me. And if you are interested in learning program, then you can join this course which will be launched in next week. So this is the output of my program. So at here you will see the animation view which will display the animation, and below is the progress bar, and in the top you will see the title basic quiz app, which I don't want to show. So first of all I want to remove this title. For that I will go to the values and then theme, right? And at here I will replace the dark action bar with no action bar, and that's it. So we have two theme files, one for night, one for day. So you have to replace action bar with no action bar in both the files, right? So now let's come to here and let's run the program again to see the output. So this is our animation view, and this is the final output of our splash screen view. So after 2 seconds it should move to new activity from the splash screen. For that I will write simple code, and that is new handler dot post delay, and add here new runnable, and add here I will set the duration to 2 seconds. So after 2 seconds the code inside the run function will execute. So I want to first terminate and finish this activity, and I want to start a new activity, and that is main activity, right? New intent. With the help of intent we can open new activity. So the current activity is quiz splash and the new activity will be main activity dot class, right? So after 2 seconds it will move to new activity, and that activity is a main activity, and this activity will be finished. So now let's rerun the program again to see the output. And this is the hello world, right? So if we want to run this animation again and again like a loop, so we have a new property here that is called looty loop, and we can set it true. So with the help of this property this animation will run again and again, right, infinitely. So now let's rerun the program and see the output. So that is the output. For now that is enough. In the next video we will do more work on this quiz app, and this will be a new series to create a quiz application in Android Studio. So see you in the next video. Bye bye, and that's it.